This is part 2 of a week in my life. The first video got too long and it needed to be cut up into 2 videos, but I'll give you a little refresher of the last video. I'm at Summit right now, and this is like the best time of year to be up here because so much sun, you can see everything. Let me show you.
He almost ate him.
What are you sorry about?
I was aiming straight at you.
Oh, perfect.
Wasn't even paying attention.
We're starting out on Friday night. I'm going out with one of my friends in Bend and taking you guys through the weekend. I'm parked next to this schoolie. Let me show you. They've got like the mountains painted on it. I always think it's so funny how truck camper people, they want to park next to each other. It's real cute. I'm having a glass of wine and I'm about to walk over. I'm waiting for Ginger and her sister, and we're going to a brewery. It's a very Bend thing, okay? Breweries. And they're having some event there tonight. I don't really know what it is. I just said, okay, I'll come. But I'm doing a little pre-gaming on my own, which is a bit naughty because I don't drink that much anymore. And so I do feel kind of naughty just having a couple glasses of wine. I'm opening my window. Having a couple glasses of wine on my own. Cheeky. Okay, so Ginger in my last video, or 2 videos ago, this gal, she's kind of explaining the Aurora Borealis to me. We're at like a little party tonight at a brewery. Let me see if I can get it. We're at the beginning of it.
Oh yeah, the airdrop.
So over here is the rest of the night sky. Not this gal. She's kind of interrupting the story, but and then this light over here, according to Ginger, is the beginning of the aurora. Pretty cool.
Yeah.
Going for a walk Sunday morning. I'm at Ginger's place and I wanted to show y'all. I'm in Tumalo right now and it's really pretty out here. So I'm taking you with me. How often are you on this trail?
I go through like roller coasters of motivation, but especially in the springtime and the summer, I try to come out here every day, and a lot of time I come out in the evenings to look for beavers. There's a beaver dam somewhere, or beaver lodge or something.
I don't know if I put this in my last video, but Ginger's a nature nerd and I get like a free nature guide when hiking with her. She knows everything, especially birds.
Yeah, and flowers. I like flowers a lot.
High desert life. This is a 5-minute walk from Ginger's place. How cool is that? She knows what's good in Central Oregon.
I finally saw an owl in my home. I was so stoked.
We're at.
Way like at the end of the trail. I heard this jay squawking, and I turned around to see what it was squawking at, and this owl just came like flying up the canyon, like right at my face. I was on a bridge on a road.
Yeah.
And so it was like coming right at me, and it flew over me. It was like probably like 10 to 12 feet away, which feels, so close when a bird is close to you. Definitely. It was really cool.
This is what we got. We got the house wren, the mourning dove, and the black-headed grosbeak.
Grosbeak.
Exactly. I don't know. Okay, so what app are you showing me?
This is the Merlin app, and it's a bird identification app. And what we're using right now is the voice identification feature, which is really the only part of the app that I use. It has other ways for you to like visually identify birds, but I don't use that one that much. I prefer a like book guide. But this one's kind of fun when you can't see the birds, but you can hear them.
I'm impressed. That was cool. See what I mean? She's good for something.
Later we can try to call in the birds. It'll be fun. You have to be quiet though.
All right, Ginger's showing me her sagebrush.
So, like, it's really tall. Like, look how tall it is. Like, you don't see sagebrush this tall, and like.
And Ginger is like 5'10".
I'm 5'10". Yeah. And so historically, like out in the high desert, you'll have sagebrush habitat with bushes this tall, and that is like kind of ideal habitat for like things like sage grouse and other like.
What is that?
Desert dwelling birds. Sage grouse are those birds that have the weird. They do the weird mating display where their like chests puff up and they make the weird like thumping sounds. Danger.
Jesus. Hey.
I know.
Wow.
Are you a Great Pyrenees? Yes, you are.
You're tiny.
Yeah.
They're so cute. I was driving on this roundabout and I saw some stuff go out and I was like, is that mine? Nobody stopped me and was like, oh, your door is open back there. But then I realized my toolbox was open and things were flying out. I don't see my impact driver there anymore. I picked up a couple bags off the ground, but I really don't know what I've lost. So that's kind of a bummer, but part of camper life, I suppose. Morning. I slept on the streets last night. I've been doing that every now and then. I slept at my friend Ginger's house the night before because I dropped her off after we went out. And I came into town last night to pick up my hat because I left it at the skating rink. They still had it, so I picked it up, and then I just stayed near the skating rink last night. I've got to move this morning. It's 10 o'clock. I've got till noon, but I think I'm gonna go for a walk first. Yeah, it is so nice out here. It's probably 70 degrees out here. Whew, loving that sun. I'm walking down by the river, and usually it's packed here, but it's a Monday morning. I'm just kind of taking an editing break and going for a walk. They have these endless wave here that people surf. Surprisingly, no one's surfing right now, but usually there's a line. Oh, there's a guy. He's gonna get it. This is the spot to float the river, and these rapids are so much fun to ride down. You want to float in the center. There's rocks on each side. Okay, hope you enjoyed part 2 and you get to see a little more of what I'm up to here in Central Oregon. I'd love to hear what you're up to this summer. See you next time. Bye.